Hi everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video what I'm going to go through is some more changes what I've made to local content engine. So I've done quite a few changes since I come back from the SEO conference in Manchester. There's a few ideas I had, so basically I've stuck them into local content engine along with a few other little bits and bobs which I'd done previously. So I'm just going to go through here and actually show you some of the things what I've done. And then what we'll have a look at is inside local content engine itself. And then also we'll take a look at some of the site that I've built with it so you can see what it does. Originally, it just worked with like Yoast, Rank Master, and AISEO. They would pull stuff in from it. I've made it now work with Xagio because that was a bit out there, but it now works with Xagio for meta titles, metadata. I've changed the meta title format because before it used to be like sort of the company name come first. Well, I prefer having the page title first, so it does that. It gets your keywords in them right in the front. Homepage handling. As you all know, I'm a very big believer in cloning stuff. So I will build a site and then I will have a base site and then I will just build it in, create it, boom, do another one, download it, create it, do another one. I have like a number of sites which have got various layouts on, which are built, which are ready for local content engine. Now, what I had a problem with was when I did the actual site, and then I got rid of my original homepage and I promoted one of the local content engine pages to be the homepage. The meta title and meta description from the previous homepage was still there. For some reason, WordPress didn't overwrite it. So what I've now done is put a set on where basically it will handle that. It does it for you. I don't have to go in and delete the homepage. It overwrites it, or it can create a new one, or whatever. Single H1 per page. There was sometimes it was creating two H1s on a page. So I've forced it now to just create one because we don't want more than one H1 on a page. It's got internal links only at the moment, and that's basically because some of the external links what it was picking up weren't very good. So I'm just having it have internal links at the moment till we work out something better. So that's basically the WordPress and publishing bit of it. Content and generation quality. I've now added to the bottom a contact panel, which has been rewritten in location specific about the business and with a click of a button to say call now, which is basically the style content block as well. I've changed everything from being one standard classic block to being in actual Gutenberg paragraph blocks. So if you want to go in and edit it and put a picture in the middle or do something like that, put a video in the middle, anything like that, it's a lot easier to do now because you don't have to mess with the actual paragraphs and copy the paragraph out, change it to blocks and do all this type of stuff. I've added a bit of space in between the blocks, between the paragraphs and between the actual lists and things like that, so that it looks a bit nicer, it's a bit more spread out. It don't sort of not all jammed together. It did used to have duplicate CTAs at the bottom. It will contact us now, call us now, that sort of things. They've been now been removed, and basically we've now got this nice styled block. I've added a bit for pricing information on. This basically will take your main service and it will do a search and build up a nice pricing. I'll build up a pricing table for you if there's more than one pricing range, or it will build up just a nice little paragraph if there's just the one pricing range. There's now every location page will now get a FAQ module put on the bottom with 5 random facts. And the way it does it is it creates random facts on each page. Now, you might get 1 or 2 facts on on different pages which are the same, but you will not get the same 5 on multiple pages. So that makes sure each of your pages that little bit more unique. Yep, the service page promise, basically it now creates like the our services process section. So you've got like sort of how we do it sort of thing. So let's just have a look at the site and I can show you what I've done. Okay, so here's a site what I've just done. As you can see, it's just a standard site. I've basically used the lead themes for the theme. And you come in, you've got your links in, you've got your our roofing services. It's got the different services what they provide, but then it's got asphalt roofing, can I say it? Asphalt roofing pricing in Beaver Falls. And then it's got a nice little table with the typical price ranges on, which is what the AIs love. So that's why we've got that. It's then got this little bit down here, which is new, which is our asphalt roofing process. Why we love serving Beaver Falls, nearby areas we serve, and then it's got like your frequently asked questions. And then it's got this nice little request your free asphalt roofing quote here with the business, the phone number, the address, and the email. Again, this is a nice little citation for the site or for the actual business, which is going to get the business into the AI overview. And then you go click the call button, which we'll call it. So that's what the new pages look like. If we click on one of these, it will take us through. And we've got the same sort of thing on there. We should have different questions. We get in touch, which is slightly different as well. And that's how it's made up. So let's have a look at the local content engine, what the difference is. So if we open the project, you've got your locations, everything's the same. If we go back to the start, everything's the same on this bit. You've got your dynamic roofing solutions, you put your services in, you build all this up. That's all the same. There's nothing changed on here. Apart from down the bottom here, you've got your pricing. Now you need to pick this because this will be used for the actual pricing in the pricing table. Okay, so don't forget to pick your pricing. And once you've done that, you continue to your locations. You pick your locations as you would do. And then you continue your content generation. And this is the new bit here. So you can promote the selected location page to be the WordPress homepage, which I picked Beaver Falls for that last one. You can do nothing, just build as normal pages. So you might have a home page on there, which you don't want to change. Or some people like to have a standard page. And I'm going to be testing the type of thing. I'm going to have a standard page, which will be like, say, a county page, and then have other pages underneath. So I'm going to play about with that. But then you've also got overwrite the existing homepage. So if you've already got an existing homepage, this will overwrite it. And this will then take over the meta title and metadata of that one as well. Once you do that, then you go to your content generator. And obviously, you've got your content and it's all good. Obviously, if you want to rewrite it, you just do exactly the same. Select all, rewrite it. Once it's rewritten, republish it, and then build the links. And that's it. I mean, that's basically the changes what's been made to it. There's not many, but as you can see, it is starting to look a bit better, especially the pricing tables. I really like them, and so do the AIs. And again, the process of doing the asphalt roofing, that's another thing what AI likes. Frequently asked questions, again, that's what they like. And then this bit is lovely for the actual client or your lead gen site to get a citation from these sites as well. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to subscribe because I have a lot more videos that I want to make and stuff like that. If the video was useful, then feel free to leave a comment, let us know what was useful. If you've got any other videos that you'd like us to make, then leave a comment. That helps the channel, plus it lets me know you enjoyed it. So therefore, I'm going to make more videos for you guys. Catch you on the next video, guys. Bye.